Alright guys, we'll get started. Tonight we got 2020 certified hobby pack. We got 2020 Donruss hobby pack. We got 2019 playoff. We got 2019 Donruss, 2019 Prestige, and 2018 Donruss. We'll just start with the 2018. Alright, Kalechi Osmail. We got Darian Stewart, Evan Ingram. We got Kenny Galladay, Damian Tomlinson, Jason Taylor. We got Jordan Howard on the Donruss card. And Darius Leonard rookie card for the Colts. And Kid Reporter. Jordan Howard for the Bears. Got Travis Frederick, Chris Carson, Bilal Powell, Vic Beasley. We got Quan Alexander, Todd Gurley, got Kelvin Benjamin, and we got a rated rookie of John Kelly for the Rams. We got Devin McCourty, TJ Watt, got a Patrick Mahomes, Dante Foreman, got Keenan Allen, we got Eric Weddle, we got a Kareem Hunt parallel, and a Leighton Vander Esch rookie for the Cowboys, and Kid Reporter. See how many Patrick Mahomes we get tonight. We had 7 last night. Anthony Barr, Carson Wentz, Ty Montgomery. Got Joe Theismann, Josh Gordon, Miles Jack, Kurt Warner, and Jordan Lastly for the Ravens, rated rookie. Got Derek Carr, Dion Lewis, Leonard Floyd, Marcus Williams, Andrew Luck. Got Danny Amendola. Got a Gridiron Kings, Matthew Stafford, and Darian Payne for the Redskins. And Kid Reporter. Got Case Keenum, Sterling Shepard, We got McForrest, Buckner, Thomas Davis, Teddy Bridgewater, Joe Mixon, Jared Goff, and there's a Baker Mayfield, rated rookie for the Browns. That's going to Bradley. Oh, there we go. All right, we got Zach Martin, Jimmy G, got Darius Slay, Travis Kelce. We got Jameis Winston, Mike Williams, got rookie phenom for the Bears, patch of Anthony Miller. And we got PJ Hall for the Raiders and Kid Reporter. All right, Jordan Matthews, David DeCastro, got Earl Campbell, Golden Tate, Joe Flacco, Leonard Fournette. We got Hassan Reddick, and we got a rated rookie of Darius Geis for Washington. All right, we got Chris Carter, Brandon Graham, David Njoku, Malcolm Butler, Mitchell Trubisky, Michael Thomas, and we got a Tom Brady Fantasy Life. And we got Kimoko Turi for the Colts rookie card. Got Clay Matthews, Rodney Hudson, Demarius Thomas. We got Jerick McKinnon, Luke Kalicki, Marlon Mack, Rashad Jones, and a Calvin Ridley rated rookie. Alright, last pack of 88 Donruss. Got Alec Ogletree, Dan Bailey, got Isaiah Crowell, got Julio Jones, Andy Dalton, Marcus Peters, got Tre'Davious White, and we got Danny Etling for the Patriots rookie card and Kid Reporter. Alright, we'll do 2019 Donruss. Alright, I can see these better. Tim Brown, Todd Gurley, Justin Tucker, Kyle Van Noy, Greg Olsen, we got Malcolm Jenkins, George Kittle, and we got Quinnen Williams for the Jets rookie card. Jalen Richard, Phillip Rivers, got Terrell Suggs, Harrison Smith, Reggie Ragland, got C.J. Mosley, and we got a canvas for the Vikings, Alexander Madison, and Joey Bosa, rated rookie. Nice looking rated rookie canvas for the Vikings, Alexander Madison. All right, Calais Campbell, got Corey Davis, Robert Quinn, got Ozzie Newsome, Carson Wentz, Von Miller, and we've got a red parallel for the Lions, rated rookie, T.J. Hawkinson. And we got Nasir Adderley, rookie card for the Chargers. C.J. Usman, Adam Vinatieri, Mike Evans, Nelson Aguilar, Jason Witten, Chris Carson, got Darren Lee, and we got Jeffrey Simmons for the Titans, rookie card. Matt Ryan, Ed Reed, Kenny Steele, Chris Jones, Drew Bledsoe, Curtis Samuel, got Emmanuel Sanders, and Jay Sternberger for the Packers, rated rookie. They're due for a collar. Mark Ingram, Melvin Gordon, Zach Ertz, Cam Newton, Daniel Hunter, Alvin Kamara, got Drew Brees, and Marcus Green for the Falcons, rookie card. Got Marlon Mack, Anthony Munoz, Kiko Alonso, Doug Baldwin, Aaron Rodgers, Khalil Mack, got Kerryon Johnson, and L.J. Collier for the Seahawks, rookie card. Got Leonard Fournette, Gerald McCoy, Wesley Walls, Randall Cunningham, Zeke, Ryan Kerrigan, and for the Bears, another patch card, Mitchell Trubisky. Donruss threads of Mitchell Trubisky. And J.J. Arcega-Whiteside for the Eagles, rated rookie. Got Aaron Donald, Garyon Conley, Jarrell Casey, Randy Moss, Tony Gonzalez, Michael Bennett, Andre Diggs, and Saquon Hampton, rookie card for the Saints, Kid Reporter. Got Mike Williams, Calvin Ridley, Le'Veon Bell, Jerry Alexander, Christian McCaffrey, Nick Mullins, and we got a Julio Jones, Dominators, and Sean Murphy Bunting for the Bucks. Got Drew Brees, Xavier Howard, John Brown, DeMarcus Lawrence, Tyler Lockett, Aaron Jones, Roquan Smith, and Devin Singletary, rated rookie for the Bills. And that's it for the Donruss. Do 2019 Prestige. Alright, Amari Cooper, Julio, Josh Doxson, Demarcus Robinson, Gus Edwards. We got Kerryon Johnson. Got Devontae Adams on Prestigious Pros. And we got Kelvin Harmon for Washington rookie card. Here's our second Patrick Mahomes. Sterling Shepard, Jalen Ramsey, DJ Moore, Willie Snead. We got Myles Garrett. Got George Kittle, extra points. And Raquel Armstead, rookie card for the Jaguars. And that's going to be a good game against the Chiefs and Ravens Monday night. I'm ready for that one. Alright, we got Damian Williams, we got Zeke, Julian Edelman, Harrison Butker, Marlon Mack, we got Derwin James, and we got a banner season, Cam Newton, and Dexter Williams for the Packers. Queeve to lead. Got Dak Prescott, Austin Eckler, Cameron Jordan, Darius Geis. Got Odell Beckham. Got extra points for Baker Mayfield. Stanley Morgan for the Bengals. And Kid Reporter. Mitchell Trubisky, Gerald McCoy, Jared Goff, Curtis Samuel, Jimmy Graham. We got Fletcher Cox. Got a highlight reel, Carson Wentz for the Eagles. And Caleb Wilson for the Cardinals. Rookie card. Tyrone Smith, Darius Slay. We got Keenan Allen. Golden Tate. Got Marcus Peters, Leonard Fournette. We got Honor Row, Michael Thomas. And we got Elijah Holyfield, rookie card for the Panthers. All right, Larry Fitzgerald, Kyle Fuller, Chandler Jones. Got Blake Jarwin. Justin Hopper. And we got Austin Henry for the Chargers patch. Stars of the NFL. And we got Tremaine Edmonds, Rising Stars, and Jordan Scarlett for the Panthers. Rookie. Alright, last pack. Sam Darnold, Olivier Vernon, Mason Crosby, Kenny Stills, Philip Lindsay, Michael Gallup, Got Saquon Barkley, highlight reel for the Giants. And DeAndre Baker rookie card, Kid Reporter. Alright, we'll do our two 2020 hobby packs. We'll do the Donruss Elat first. Alright, Chris Carson. Got Amari Cooper. And we got a rookie of Chase Young. And that's going to be numbered out of 99, or actually that's 98. Well, it's aspirations, 64 out of 98, Chase Young. Cool looking card for Washington. And then we got Tyrann Mathieu, Khalil Mack, and Kid Reporter. Alright, we'll do Certified 2020. Got Phillip Rivers. We got Nick Chubb, Aaron Donald, Stephon Diggs. The Cowboys, we got the greatest, Emmitt Smith. And that's going to be it. Kid Reporter. All right, 2019 playoff. There we go. Last time did one of these. We got a Drew Lock auto. We have do that good. All right, Bernie Kosar, Amari Cooper. We got Kenny Galladay. Got Christian McCaffrey, Sterling Shepard. We got Thunder and Lightning. Chandler Jones, Patrick Peterson for the Cardinals. Then we got a red zone playoff of Jared Goff. And let's see, Gary Jennings Jr. rookie and Kid Reporter. Alright, red zone with Jared Goff. Alright, Darius Leonard, LaShawn McCoy, Jerome Bettis, Brett Favre. And we got a Tristan Hill for the Cowboys, red zone, auto. And we got an Anthony Johnson, rookie for the Bucks. Matt Ryan, stargazing, and Jimmy G on the Air Command. We got Leonard Fournette, Le'Veon Bell, we got John Elway, got Darius Slade, Kurt Warner, got Jarrett Stidham, Air Command, got Dak Prescott, stargazing, and Jalen Ferguson rookie card for Baltimore Ravens. Right, we got DeMarcus Lawrence, T.Y. Hilton, Evan Ingram, Kurt Warner, Charles Woodson. We got T.J. Hawkinson, rookie wave. Got Thunder and Lightning, David Johnson, Kyler Murray, the Cardinals, and N'Keal Harry, and Kid Reporter. T.J. Hawkinson for the Lions. Alright, Earl Campbell, we got Ed Reed, David Johnson, Drew Brees, Zach Ertz. And for the Raiders, rookie wave, got Josh Jacobs, nice one. Got Thunder and Lightning, Nick Chubb, Odell Beckham. And Rashawn Gary for the Packers, and Kid Reporter. Josh Jacobs for Las Vegas Raiders. Alright, Melvin Gordon, got James Conner, Sony Michel, Julius Peppers, got LT, we got a stargazing of Jalen Ramsey for the Jaguars, got a red zone playoff, Montez Sweat, and a DK Metcalf from Seahawks. This playoff I'm gonna have for this box I'm gonna have for another break, but I got some more coming in. I'll probably put them on my eBay page. I'll have to see how much they are. I hadn't priced them here lately. This one here I got for another break. I'll message you afterwards, Daniel, if you're interested in some. I should have some coming in first next week. Edgar and James, Tony Gonzalez, Chris Carson, Terry Bradshaw, Cam Newton. We got Ed Oliver, rookie wave for the Bills. And we got Delane Walker for the Titans, red zone. And Benny Snell Jr. and Kid Reporter. Benny Snell Jr. for the Steelers. Tre'Davious White, Joe Flacco, Ray Lewis. We got Larry Fitzgerald, Michael Thomas. Got J.J. Watt, stargazing. Red zone of Earl Thomas for the Ravens. And Josh Allen for the Jaguars. Man, I can't believe we ain't seen a Kyler. Mike Williams, Juju, Jordan Howard, got Eric Reed. Oh man, there's a nice one. Josh Jacobs, turning pro patch. There's the Raiders tonight. Gary. Let's see, we got Debo, rookie wave. Got Drew Brees, Erica Mann, and a Jarrett Stidham for the Patriots. And Kid Reporter. Alright, last pack. Julian Edelman. Got Nick Foles, Sam Darnold, Mitchell Trubisky, Tyler Lockett, Stargazing, Ezekiel Elliott. There he is. Kyler Murray, rookie wave. It's a nice one. And Darwin Thompson for the Chiefs, rookie card. Alright, guys, we'll do a recap. Alright, we got Debo, Jarrett Stidham, patch of Josh Jacobs. Got Josh Allen, Benny Snell, got Montez Sweat, red zone, DK Metcalf, another rookie wave, Josh Jacobs, Thunder and Lightning for the Browns. We got TJ Hawkinson, rookie wave, Thunder and Lightning, Kyler Murray, David Johnson for the Cardinals, Erica Mann, Jarrett Stidham, Don Russ rated rookie canvas, Alexander Madison, got a red zone, Jared Goff, the greatest, Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys, Bader rookie. We got a rookie phenom patch for Anthony Miller. Got extra point parallel Baker Mayfield, Patty Mahomes, extra points George Kittle, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside rated rookie. Got Mitchell Trubisky patch, Calvin Ridley rated rookie, Leighton Vander Esch rookie card. Got Patty Mahomes again, Kareem Hunt parallel, Fantasy Life Tom Brady. We got Jordan Howard, Matthew Stafford, got auto red zone Tristan Hill for the Cowboys, parallel TJ Hawkinson. Got Baker Mayfield rated rookie. We got Hunter Henry, stars of the NFL patch. And we got a rookie card. This one's going to be out of 98, 64 out of 98 for Chase Young. And Kyler Murray. I can't even say it. Rookie wave. That's all we got tonight, guys. We'll be back same time tomorrow. And I'll see you then.